after the training, you can always watch the recording. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you always have the recording of this meeting, all right? This is our mass adoption meeting, a very special meeting that we usually have with the admin. And today, guys, like I said, the admin will not be available, okay? And today we shall be doing our thing. And I always say it's very important that since we have a lot of people coming into the community, it's always important for us to do a kind of rundown in our website and discuss everything that is important for us to discuss. So we shall have a kind of 1 hour training, then we have questions and answers. I'm going to take all your questions, okay? I'll be taking all your questions. And Mr. Trust also will walking you in the wallets, okay? And how to use the merchant app. So how to use the application, how to use the application in our wallets. Mr. Trust will be walking you through just after my presentation so that some of you can actually know how to use the app. The app is so awesome. They'll be teaching you how to scan and do payment, all right? So remember that we are on the street right now doing a lot of merchant campaign, educating the people about TBC. So feel free to always come to me and ask any question that concerns merchant adoption, okay, guys? All right, so that being said, like I said, please, just if you have a question, just hold on, okay? If you have a question, just hold on. We'll take your question after my brief presentation. So just give me like 45 minutes and listen carefully. If you're just coming in for the very first time, control your mic and just have your seat, get some water, get some tea, coffee, and listen to what I'm about to share with you because it is going to help you and bring in more people in the community. All right, guys, let me quickly share my screen with you, all right? And I'll be going to the Kringle cache. And by the way, guys, the keyword of the day is Kringle, all right? The keyword of the day is, Kringle. Kringle is the keyword of the day, all right? So guys, the keyword of the day is Kringle, all in small letters. Kringle is the keyword of the day, okay, guys? So that is the keyword of the day, okay? So insert the keyword of the day. So guys, let me share my screen. As we all know, this is our Kringle Cache website. The first icon here, you're going to see the COVID-19. We have very, very interesting and eye-opening videos here trying to expose how the COVID-19 thing is a scam. So you need to read or click and read some of the videos, watch some of the videos that you have here, guys. So these videos are all eye-opening, okay? So, and then right down you have documents to prove to us, okay? Right now you have documents. Try to follow this document. It got lots and lots of video links that can help you understand, okay? And you have the login, after the login, you have now our goodwill. We are also a goodwill community. And we are actually doing goodwill to every living being on earth because that is who we are. We are a goodwill community and we live to love one another with love and respect. There is something I want to tell you today, guys. Most of the time we have been passing this. Some of you might not even know the explanation of this Kringle society. Some of you might not even know the explanation of this this logo. When you look at this logo here, it's not actually a logo. Not actually a logo. It's actually like a, how do I call it? Like a trademark, I don't know, but you have no authorization to use this unless by the general overseer of the society, which is the admin. And guys, now when you look at this, okay, when you click on goodwill, this symbolizes, let me take like one after the other. This symbolizes all the living being on earth, that the living being on the planets, that blood flows through them, okay? This symbolizes all the living thing on earth. And here you have amore e reverare, means a Latin word of love and respect, Okay, that's the Latin word of love and respect. And guys, here you see hands holding hands. We don't care what color you are, but you can see hands holding hands around the planet, because we are a goodwill. We are a goodwill, and we deal with human beings around the globe. We don't care which country you are. We don't care what color you are. We don't care where you are coming from. Okay, so we, hands holding hands, all empowering. We are empowering people globally. That's why you see this. Okay, and then you have the dolphins. The dolphins is our spiritual animal, or our spirit animal. The dolphins is that animal that is so lovely, is so generous, is so kind. You read more about the dolphins. The dolphin is a very lovely animal. So that is why we are using it as our spirit animal, okay? We prefer the dolphins. It's a very good animal, so lovely, save lives, so kind. You might want to, it's so playful. It's a very adorable animal. So that's why we are using it here, okay? Then you now have, here shows abundance. Here is all about abundance. On earth, there is a lot of abundance on earth, and we need to enjoy that abundance. That's why you see the sky here, there's no limitation. If there's no limitation, then you have these fruits. There is no bearing fruit. We are bearing fruit of abundance. We are sowing seeds of abundance, bearing lots and lots of fruits. Okay, we are sowing seeds of abundance, bearing lots and lots of fruits. So it's all about abundance. So guys, this is the signification, or this is what this stands for. And you have no right to use this unless authorized by our general overseer. So that's the meaning of this, guys. If you have been saying this all the time and you don't know what it means, that is the full explanation of that, okay? And we have two goodwill ambassadors, Mr. Stephen Coffey and I, all right? We are a goodwill ambassadors. And we have a lot of people coming up. They shall be like junior ambassadors very soon. And of course, guys, these are some of the things that we are doing. We are doing goodwill. We are doing goodwill. This is our last goodwill program. You might want to come to this and read some of the things that we have been doing so far, okay? You might want to come and read some of the things that we have been doing so far. So, guys, we have been doing a lot of goodwill all over. The last one was in Nigeria, guys. So come to us, come to the website, and make sure that you go through some of this goodwill program that we did, all right? Okay, guys, so that being said, if you also, if we go back to the website, let's go back here. After goodwill, what do we have? After goodwill, we have merchant location. Okay, we have merchant location. Okay, let's click on our merchant location. So guys, our merchant location is growing like crazy. Our merchant location is growing like crazy. So let's quickly click on merchant location and see what we got there. I don't know, my internet is kind of slow. You don't know what is happening here, but it's okay. So once you want to know, some people are asking, where can I spend my TBC? Where can you spend your TBC? Click on merchant location. Okay, pick up a city or a town or a country. Okay, pick up a city or a town or a country. For example, if I pick up a city where I live and I just go to search, I just click on search here, I'll be seeing all the merchants in this city. If I click on search here, I'll be seeing all the merchants in this city where I live. Okay. All right, guys, stop drawing on my screen. Stop drawing on my screen, okay? All right, so this is some of the areas where it's actually loading right now. Okay, it's still loading. So these are some of the areas where you can actually spend some of your TBC if you're in my country. Right, these are a lot of areas. The merchant location. You see some areas where you can actually spend your TBC coin. So guys, make sure that you come here. Always come to the merchant zone. Always come to the merchant zone, and it's still loading. It's kind of loading, guys, so no problem. So when you go to merchant location, you see some of the areas that you can spend. All right. Some people need to mute everyone. Please make sure that you remain muted. Okay. Make sure that you stay muted, please. Thank you. All right, so let me keep sharing. Okay, let me keep sharing. Okay, so guys, I was just showing you the merchant location, some of the areas that you can actually spend your TBC. All these are merchant location. In my country, we have even hotels accepting up to 30% in TBC. You can go there and you pay 30% in TBC. All right, so guys, some of you asking where can I spend my TBC? These are the areas where you can spend your TBC. Come here and get those areas. And guys, you can also, let's go to public notice. Public notice is actually explaining our article of association, our mission. All right, showing our mission, and you can go through the article of association. It is explaining who we are. All right, it's explaining who we are, what we are doing. So those are the article of association. You can go through that and enjoy. All right. So guys. So please, Mr. Trust, please keep an eye on those that are actually disturbing. All right, guys. We might just kick you out if we keep getting you muted and you are not controlling your mic. We might just kick you out of the training. Okay. Make sure that you check your mic and let your mic be all muted. All right. Okay. So the article of association, you have our public notice, article of association, mission statement, rate, sect, rates. So guys, make sure that you come here and you read all these articles. These are articles showing who we are, what we are, and what we are doing. So make sure you always come and go through all of those. Okay. Yeah. Then after this, we can now go log into our accounts. Okay, we can now log into our accounts. Let me go to. So now we can now log in. Let me log in to our Kringle Cash. Now, when we log into our Kringle Cash, it's loading. Network not very friendly. So just be patient for it to load. I think what I'm sharing is making it a little bit harder. Let me stop sharing. Okay, let me stop sharing so that I can load very fast. Okay, now I can share. So if we go to our Kringle Cash back office, guys, we have the dashboard. Then we have our super promo. We have our super promo going on right now. This super promo permits you to earn up to 100 coin if you pay your 8 grains of gold. And make sure that you read. Oh my God. A lot of background noise. I don't know why. Yeah, Michael. I'm removing him. Michael, make sure stay quiet. Michael, stay muted, please. Okay, so make sure you control your mic. So when you go to the back office, please try to read this. Try to read this. It's very important. Usually when you're coming for the very first time, try to read this. Okay, it's very, 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 very important. And you now come to meetings. We have the mass adoption training that is taking place every day. All right, we have a mass adoption training that is taking place every day when it is Monday to Friday when it's 8 a.m. West African time. You just click here. At 8 a.m. you are going to have the link. Okay, and when you watch this meeting, you also get paid. You get paid for watching this meeting. So guys, come to this meeting, take the keyword and get paid. Today the keyword is Kringle. Okay, the keyword of the day is Kringle. So once you watch the meeting, once you have the keyword, what do? You just come here and you click on and you put the keyword of the day, which is, for example, Kringle. Okay, put the keyword of the day, which is Kringle. And you just submit the keyword of the day, Kringle, right? When you submit the keywords, they'll tell you your keyword has been successfully submitted. My network is not very friendly. I don't know what's happening. Wow, okay guys, so that's the keyword. The keyword of the day is Kringle. So when you submit, they will tell you that keyword has been submitted, all right? So we have other meetings. You have the English meeting, you have the French meeting. This one takes place every Mondays when it's 5 p.m. West African time. So you have all these taking place there, okay? So you can always watch, get the keyword there and submit, and you earn some Kringles. Then you have the rewards. If you want to see a reward, you click on this reward, and you will be able to see all their rewards, okay? Then we also have marketing. We have 2 links. If you want to sign up somebody, you have 2 links, okay? We have 2 links. When you click here, you have the referral link and the merchant link, okay? You have the referral link, the merchant link. If you want to sign up a merchant, you can click, let's say you want to sign up a merchant. Wow, the internet is really, really, really crazy. I don't know what is happening. All right, guys, just hold on. Just hold on for a second. 1 second.
Just refresh and go back.
All right, guys, just hold on for 1 second. Let me see if I can switch connection here. It's really crazy what is happening here. I think the MTM network of a thing is actually a very, very big problem. Still trying to disturb us. So just be patient while I try to get switched to another network. Very quick here.
It's working now, Ambassador.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Just 1 second. Oops. Well. All right, let me see what is happening here. Just like this. It's not working for me. Not working for me so far. Okay. All right. Just trying to switch, but okay, it's back now. Kringle Cash is back now, guys. Let me share my screen again. Okay, so we have our Kringle Cash. All right, so you can actually, you have 2 links. This is when you want to sign up somebody who is not a merchant. If you want to sign up a merchant, use this link. Okay, that is a merchant listing. And when we go back to marketing, we have brochures. Print those brochures, get the merchants on board. You want to see your referrals, the number of people you have signed up. You have your business card, you can print it. You have your referrals. You want to see the number of referrals that you have. And also you have your merchant referrals. Guys, my merchant referrals, we are actually out there trying to bring in lots and lots of merchants, okay? Actually out there trying to bring in lots. Oh my God, it's crazy what is happening here. I don't know. So I don't know what is happening with my network here.
Can you switch to Vodafone?
We don't have, I don't use Vodafone here. Vodafone is not in my country again. They left. Okay, don't worry. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, well now here we are. Okay, here we are. All right, so I'm trying to show you the number of merchants that I already got so far. We are doing serious merchant campaign right now. Like every day, my team and I, we are out there trying to get more merchants on board, okay? So guys, so far we have 1,000, okay? So far we have 1,232 merchants. My objective for this month is to have 1,500 merchants. I just pray I should have. I have just 2 days to go. I have just 2 days to go. So I I hope that I'm going to reach my objective, right? I hope I'll be able to reach my objective, but I have just 2 days to go. So guys, meaning that when I pay my back office this month, okay, when I pay my back office this month, I'm going to have 1,232 TBC, assuming that I do not add any other merchant. But if I add merchant and I have 1,500 here, when I pay my back office fee, I'll have extra 1,500 coins plus another extra 100 coins for the super promo. So each merchant that you bring on board gives you 1 TBC coin. Each merchant that you register will give you 1 TBC coin, all right? So that's gonna be awesome. I need a lot of this coin. I just need it like crazy. Okay, guys, we have the merchant listing that we have seen. We have the t-shirt committee. The t-shirt committee, you can actually take loans and you print a t-shirt, you sell, okay, you sell and give back the loan. The t-shirt must carry a message that says, I do not consent to tyranny. So you sell the t-shirt to raise capital and you refund the money. We have the committee, you can get to them. We have the genealogy tree, the posters, membership charts, invitation. So guys, these are just, want to see your downlines, you have posters you can use, membership chart, you want to see the graphs, want to invite somebody, that is it. You can just click there. All right, then you have the education part of it, guys. You have the TBC website, we have the current price chart, ultimate price charts, we have the currency calculator. Some of you do not even know the value of 1 TBC today. We have the currency calculator here. Once you click on currency calculator, it automatically takes you it actually takes you where you can calculate the value of 1 TBC coin, okay? It takes you where you can calculate the value of 1 TBC coin. For example, if the value of one, just put 1 there and you select USD. The value of 1 TBC coin is over $13 million today, all right? The value of 1 TBC coin is over 13 million USD. Wow, this is awesome. Very, very awesome. And then, guys, we have the ultimate or the TBC maximum value. So when TBC arrived at maturity, oh my God, just hate saying this. When TBC will reach maturity, okay, when TBC reach maturity, my network is crazy. Just hate this. Okay, let me stop sharing and see what is happening here. I hope everybody can.
Can your host help you share?
Yeah. Hold on 1 second. Let me see what is happening here, please. Okay. Okay. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know. It's very difficult for me to get what I want.
Just refresh your page. It will come into as well.
Looks like this page was disturbing since yesterday. I don't know what is happening. Okay. Okay, here we are. All right, so the value of TBC at maximum, when we shall reach maturity, we shall have, as per today, value, let's assume that we reach maturity. The value of 1 TBC at maximum will be $3 billion or $3.8 billion. Woo! So if you have 100 TBC today, when we arrive maturity, you're going to be automatically a billionaire. All right. And then we have our education. We have the public, what is for the public, and then we have what is for the private. So you can always go through our educational parts. The private, you must be a member before you can get our private information. You must be a member. And yeah, we are private. We are not sacred. Okay. We are private. We are not sacred. So you can want to have access to our private information, always get to the blog. There you can read what is here, some videos, private society. Please stop drawing on my screen. Stop drawing on my screen. Then we have contests. We have contests. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 contests, 5 where you can earn Bitcoin bounties. You can earn Bitcoin for the contest, all right? And if you have the highest number of referrals or that renew their account for that week, okay? You have the highest number of people that renew their account for that week, then you will be paid. If you are the first position, you pay 200 grains of gold, about 800 and something USD. If you are the second position, you earn 100 grains. If you are third, if you are second, you earn 100. If you are third, you earn about 50 grains of gold, which ranges from about $800, $400, and $200 if you are the highest position so far. All right, so you can participate in this and earn a lot of money from here. And then we have the heavy hitter bonus. If you sign up to 1,000 members, and the admin will pay you 30% extra for the people that admin will pay you 30% extra for the people that pay for their admin fee for that month. Okay, so that is how you can earn from this contest. And we have your accounts. You can walk through here. You can buy bulk payment to renew people's accounts. You can approve registration when people pay with bulk credit, and you can have payment history, change sponsor, cash center. You can become a cash center. If you are a merchant or if you're a member, you want to become a merchant, you need to click here and fill this form. If you are a member and then now you want to become a merchant, log into your account, click here, fill the merchant listing registration. Okay, then we also have Bitcoin bounties. Bitcoin bounties enable you to earn 50%, of any person that sign up with your link and pay the admin fee. If the admin fee is 8 grains of gold, you have 4 grains of gold that comes to you automatically that you can catch it out or you can collect. Okay, so any person that pay his admin fee, you earn 50% in Bitcoin. That is a straight commission job. This is not a network marketing. Okay, then you also have the help desk. You have the chat. The help desk permits you to contact support if you have a problem, technical problem. You can contact support, and we also have member helpers. Member helpers, we have Move for Money, which is one of our members helper. We have Ivy, we have Mizano, we have Christina. There are just many of them that are member helpers. You can also contact them to get your problem solved, technical problem solved very, very fast. And then you have the chat. The chat permits you to communicate, okay? The chat permits you to communicate with your downlines. And admin says that the chat will be developed more and it's going to be prettier than what you have today. Okay, guys, so I'm just trying to walk you through the website and then we can now discuss our questions and answers. The key word of the day is Kringle. All right, so let's discuss some questions and answer, and then we shall come to Mr. Trust, who will take us into the app, okay, in the app that we have in our Kringle Cash. Madam Hudaya is the first speaker. Let's hear from her. You have a question or you want to contribute?
Yeah, just contribute, please, Ambassador Mbeh. Always a pleasure when you're training. Always a pleasure. So much knowledge. I would just like to find out, could you please find out who keeps scribbling on the screen when admin is presenting and yourself? I find it extremely irritating, disrespectful. It really annoys me. And I'm sorry, I'm taking up time to put this out there. This person need to be, just kick him out or her. It's very disrespectful.
That's true. That's true. We are still trying to get the person, but immediately we get that person, will be kicked out. Just sometimes sharing and trying to get somebody who is sharing the screen, who is disturbing is not really easy. But we'll get the person.
No, just one moment, please. Thank you very much, Ambassador Mbeh, because I know members of my team here has really benefited from your presentation just now. Thank you. Okay, welcome. That's it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I say something to that, please?
Patience, go ahead. Go ahead, Patience.
Yes, please.
Let's hear from Patience.
Thank you. Good morning. Sometimes, yes, it is good morning. The scribbling on the screen sometimes is not intentional. There was a time I did it, but there is a pencil-like icon on the screen. So if somebody touches it intentionally, it will scribble on the screen. So when I saw it happen to me, I now got aware of that particular icon. It's blue. It's in a circle and bluish. So if everybody will take note of that, so that when they are holding their handsets, they don't touch that particular icon. It's meant for writing, but a lot of people do not know. So when they touch it mistakenly, those scribblings appear on the screen. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
please. I bought credit for 2 people on Wednesday, but as of now, it's still not in. I don't know.
Oh,
Yes. Is that Dominic?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Dominic.
Actually, the problem is the blockchain you are using not confirming very fast. So you contact.
No, it has confirmed already. Long time.
Yes, you are going to contact Move for Money. They just post the link here to the meeting after this meeting. So you're going to contact them and they're going to help you, okay? They're going to help you. That's the link that has just been posted. You can join them on Facebook. If you have any worries, technical problem, they're going to help you on that, okay, Dominic?
Hello, sir. Hello, good morning.
All right, make sure you always show your hands up so that we can call you, okay? Dorothy Amankwa. Right.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Yeah. Please, I entered my keyword in my back office 3 days ago, but that's not reflected in my account.
Did you click on the Kringle reward?
Yes, sir.
You must click on the Kringle reward for it to spin. All right. When it spins now, your Kringle will be reflected after some hours.
That is
Mr.
That is after entering my keyword in at the back office. Will I have something like Kringle? Just like what you said, I forgot it.
Yeah,
Kringle reward.
when you have
Where can I find it?
In your wallet. You
Okay,
find in your wallet.
okay. Then so after entering the keyword in the Kringle hash, I will come to the TBC. That means that's why I'll get a Kringle reward.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Trust, you want to say something?
No, I was just trying to, for the purpose of the training, just maybe if you can share your screen and demonstrate, because some of the members here don't even know where to find the reward button. Thank you.
All right, yeah, my network is funny this morning. I don't know. Kringle Cash is not really friendly.
Okay, thank you.
So I'll share. It's taking time to load. Maybe they should be working or something. It's really taking a lot of time to load. I don't know why.
Okay.
We'll come back to that, okay? Come back to that. Okay. So let's take another person. Who do we have? You have a question, guys, please make sure you indicate. I'm saying Luke Tombam, Prime J. I'm seeing your hands up. Luke Tombam. Then we also have another one, Bill Zillion. Bill Zillion, unmute yourself, please. Yes, go ahead. Unmute yourself, Bill.
At the time when you had the peak of
right.
several Kaduna.
Bill, you're not saying anything. Can't hear you. Okay, Bill 1, Bill 2, Bill and 3. Let's go with Ajewami Bola. Unmute. Unmute. You are talking, we can't hear you. You have to unmute.
Good morning, Mr. Mbeh. Are you hearing me?
Yes, 515.
Okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I really appreciate this community that I find myself. And I really want to follow after you. I really thank God for being here. Please, concerning the listing of merchants, you discussed that you employ people that are working with you to register the merchants. I want to ask that those people, if we employ people that will help us to go out to register the merchants, how do they get the money for their to pay their admin fee? That is, to get people that are faithful. Is it possible to assign them, train them, and send them out to enlist the merchants and tell them to get their registration money? How does it work? Hello?
Okay, yes, I can hear you. Now, you know, that is a training of its own, okay? That is a training of its own. I cannot give you all the training here now, but it's very simple. It is simple and at the same time it's not simple. Okay, but you know, one thing, if you want this special training, it is important for you to maybe show me the screenshot of the amount that you have, that you are ready to pay people, because there's no need for us to talk about that when members just want to get a training just like that. If you want to take time for us to train on that, show me your wallet that you are ready to employ people. Maybe you have some $1,000 in your Bitcoin wallet that you are ready to pay people. I train you how to pay them, how to get them on board. Now, the people that are going out, they work under your link. They sign up merchants. Like in my office, I have 3 groups of people. One group, they go out. Another group calling. Another group follow up. That's the 3 group I have in my office, okay? And there is a process of employment. When you want somebody to work for you, there is a due process. I have a registered company. So I don't just call people, hey, come and work for me. I'll pay you. Go out there and sign merchant. No. There is a process for that to happen, okay? So I don't just tell people that come, because sometimes when you tell people like that, they don't take you serious. We have a company, we have an office, you go through interview, like placing your CVs, interview and selection and training. Then when we train, we take you now out. So it's a whole process. So we don't just take it like a child's play. It's not a child's play. It's a very serious thing we do in the office, very, very serious. And they have supervisors, they have people that have trained. I have my assistants that have all trained, and they take care of most of the work. Like now I'm here and the office is already operational right now. People are already in the office working. All right?
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a whole thing to do. It's a whole process to do. Okay. Another question on that?
Thank you. No, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's hear from Lina. Lina, on mute.
Okay. Good morning, Ambassador Mbeh and all the TBCians on the platform.
Good morning.
Mine is just the question and the clarity I would love to have. The first one, when you were doing lecturing, when you were teaching us how to do different things on our back office, I came to realize on the merchant list, under contestant or status, it is written new member or not renewal. I would like to understand, is it the new member, if you bring the new member on that week, you will enter in the contestant, or is it when you have to renew, your people which is under you start paying, or both? Now the second one, that is the first one. The second one is under contestant.
The contest.
Yeah,
the contest, right?
understand?
Mm-hmm.
How does it work?
Okay, I have to mute some people. All right. Okay, the contest, how does it work? All right. Now,
how does it work?
Okay.
It's when you have the new referral, old referral renew their back office, or is it when you have also the new member which is coming on board, or both?
When they
Because
renew,
once I understand that, it will help me to do my work.
yeah, it's basically for renewers. Okay, when somebody sign up for free and then he renew his account, that when it is counted on the contest. Okay.
And how do you determine for the person to go in a contestant? Do we need to inform you, or you just get it?
When you join as a member, you are being placed on the English contest by default. You know, so you can decide to change. You go to your profile area, you select full timer, you watch the weekly meeting for the contest you want to participate. You insert the keyword, you select full timers, you select the language. Okay. Then next week you automatically be in the contest. Okay. So you can select, you go to your profile, you select what contest you want to participate. It is on your profile area. I can't show you my profile area now because of security reasons. Okay.
Yeah.
So you go to your profile and you select all that. So those that will renew their account for that week automatically place you on the contest of that week. If you have the highest number of referrals, you win. Okay. So that is how it works. Now for the table, merchant listing, the renewal, and in fact, there they're just showing you statistics for people that have paid, those that have not paid, those that are new, those that came in for free, those that have not renewed. It's just the statistics they're giving you. Yeah, so you can as well just find out those that have paid from there, just to help you see those who are paying and those who are not paying.
Ambassador.
Yes.
Again, before we end the end of the day, because I have a scheduled meeting for two persons during the weekend. I would love you to show me again a bit on a merchant sign up. And also, if the person wants to have, for example, to become merchant, and also at the same time want to own the account as a TBC or Kringle case back office, will he require to sign both at the same time on a different?
You only have one account, and in TBC we consider a living man and woman. Okay, so if you sign up, let's say you sign up using the merchant, or you did not use the merchant link, maybe you use just your referral link. If you use this link to sign up, then you want to become a merchant. What you need to do now is just to go to your account area, and then you fill this form. You fill the merchant listing registration. That's what you need to do. Even if you sign up using a merchant link and you want to become a merchant, you must fill this form. Even if you sign up using a merchant listing, after you finish the sign up process, you must come here and fill this form. And you submit. Okay, you must fill this form and you submit right here. Okay.
Now I got it.
Right. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ambassador.
You're welcome. All right. Let's hear from Ima.
Yes.
Edu.
Yes. Hello, Ambassador Mbeh.
Mr. Trust.
Yes,
Okay.
Ambassador Mbeh. Okay, I just wanted to intervene about the leader, Lina. I believe she's from Namibia.
Yes.
Yes, I did send you my personal WhatsApp number. Please just contact me. I can always, because you are from Namibia, and I'm from Zoom. I can train you about everything that you want.
Did you send?
Thank you. I just send you a WhatsApp. Yeah.
Did you send me on private? Okay, let me check.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's
Thank
fine.
you so much.
I will send mine also.
Perfect.
No, okay, it's fine.
Okay, great. All right. Yeah, from Emma. Emma now.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Hello.
You have a lot of background noise, Emma.
Yeah, Ambassador, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning to all TBC. Please, I have this question to ask. I paid my August admin fee, and I just wanted to ask whether if you pay your admin fee, there's going to be a bounty for you. Actually, my administrator paid it, my sponsor paid it for me, and I just wanted to ask whether there will be a Bitcoin bounty for you. And also, the screens that you've been sharing, it's different. It's different from mine because when you share some screens on your laptop or phones, when I check mine, there is different, and I don't know the reason why. So this is the question. And my last question is that all Tibetians in Takwa here in Ghana, we are meeting this Sunday at the Blues Lodge. So please, those in Takwa on this platform, we are meeting this Sunday to discuss on how to move this deprived company forward. So thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. When you pay your admin fee, okay, in order for you to benefit the Bitcoin bounty, somebody to pay below you, okay? So
okay,
if you are my sponsor and I pay, you have 50% of that amount that you can collect. You can collect it in Bitcoin.
Yeah, I've been waiting. My pastor, my sponsor, that's Pastor Bednego, paid my a admin fee, but I've not received any Bitcoin bounty yet.
How do you want to receive when have you registered? Have you signed up any person below you?
Yes.
And the person paid?
Yes, but the person hasn't paid the August one.
But he paid for the July.
Yes, he has paid for the admin fee, the starting one. He has paid for everything.
But you have not received bounty.
Yeah, for that one, I received it long time ago. But I'm just asking whether when you pay it for the next month, you are going to receive another one or something else like that.
No, when he pays, not when you pay. When he pays, you receive another one. Okay, you get it from him when he pays.
Okay. Understood. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay, let's hear from Richard Mensah. Richard Mensah, are you there? Okay, let's hear from Azuzu.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm here. Richard Mensah is here.
Okay, go ahead.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Yeah, my greetings to all people over here. Yeah, I was having problem yesterday. With merchant registration. 3 people. I registered 3 people and they were facing the same challenge. When you go to, when you click on save or update, it tells you to load YouTube video. I don't know whether yesterday some people experienced
Yes,
the same
I experienced that
so
too.
I wanted to know
when I was on the field, I experienced that too. So I sent a message to our member helper. So I'm sure they will look into that. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what else.
I wanted to know if it is a general problem.
Even me, I faced the same challenge.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
So I think they'll resolve it. Move for money. Are you there? Can you give us an update on that?
Yeah. I'm there. Yeah, I'm there. So I'm so sorry that I came a little bit late. Are you getting me?
Yes, Mr. Monfo.
Okay. The issue is being handled right now. So the IT has not responded on that because also there was a slight hitch with TBC 009, but it's already workable. But as soon as possible, it will be workable. So don't bother. They are working on it. And he was trying to make us to know that they are tying all the different elements together. So that is where the hitch came out. So they are still on maintenance, and as soon as possible, things will be working out well. they are working to make the website or the site to be more attractive, more presentable. It's just that a glitch went on, so you should not find it as a problem. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mobile money, mobile money.
Please, if you want to speak, you should indicate. You don't just pop in, because that will push others to be popping in. We are billionaires, and we should speak like one. Okay,
well noted.
So
well noted.
You can go ahead now. Go ahead.
Thank you. My son is having a problem with this facial recognition. When he tried to snap the snap, it will tell him an error. So he wasn't able to go to his, after paying his admin fee. So
that's a technical problem. After this meeting, just get the link of the technical problem. Move for money will look into that. It will be solved.
Yeah. Then how do I get it?
He'll post the link on the Zoom. Just check the chat. The chat. You have it there. Then you can go to the meeting after this one. He will solve that issue.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so let's listen to Lugratpam. Lugratpam, can I hear from you? Unmute yourself. Are you there?
You called me earlier, Mbeh.
Oh, that was Asusu. Go ahead, Asusu.
Morning. Good morning, everyone in the house.
Good morning.
I had an experience yesterday. I registered a merchant. So trying to fill her merchant form, the merchant listing registration form. By the time I submitted, it was written in red that I have to submit YouTube channel, whatever.
Yeah, that's what we just talked about. That's what we just talked about here. Maybe you were not here when we were talking about this. It was a small glitch that is being worked on. So you just be patient. And I think by today, end of today, everything will be fine. Okay, look, Raptor, are you here now? Can you go ahead? Okay, Rita Kaba, are you on board?
Good morning, Ambassador. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, thank you very much for what you're doing for the community. I just want to, I have just yesterday registered my salon, and we are accepting 20%.
Wow.
So I just want to let all of us in the meeting, those of us in Croydon area, because my salon is in Thornton here. So if anybody lives in Thornton around Croydon and they are able to come to us, it's a Shekinah Glory Unisex Salon. And if somebody wants the number, I can put our shop number in the chat as well.
Put it on the chat
for people to come and spend their Kringles.
Yeah.
That's all I want to say.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Excellent.
Yeah, we're accepting 20%.
Congratulations, Rita.
Thank you.
Bravo.
Congratulations. Put the contact there. Guys, go spend some Kringles. Stop asking where should I spend my Kringles. Go and spend.
Yes, Ambassador.
Okay, let's hear from Augustine. Augustine, are you here? Unmute.
Yes, Augustine is here.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
And greetings, Derick and the house. And the matter has already been.
I want to talk.
Please hold on. Somebody's already talking.
The matter has already been discussed upon. You know, yesterday, at this point, I'm somewhere carrying out an official assignment, but nonetheless, I was still making efforts to bring in merchants. And yesterday, while I was bringing in a merchant, I still encountered the same challenge. So I decided to try to check into it properly. And I thought, let me use that word, I thought that the glitch was deliberately set up by the administration to make it a little bit more harder for members in the community to get TBC. That's what I thought. So I decided to discuss with the merchant and tell the merchant that you may need to get a YouTube link. And I also started thinking that maybe the administration wanted merchants to be more willing to make some advertisements by themselves and then upload it on their page so that people can see proof that these merchants are really accepting Kringle coins. So I didn't know that it was actually a glitch, but then since the technical team, which are in this place, has said it's a glitch, then I am hoping that once it's corrected, I'll go back to that merchant and then tell the person to ignore the YouTube link and then go ahead and submit. Because I thought, or I was thinking that if this is going to be done as it is now, it will be more difficult for us to bring in merchants. But since they have all resolved it, then let me just calm down. Possibly by Monday, I'll check it out again.
That's right. All right. Thank you very much, Augustine, for that contribution. All right, Mr. Trust, start getting ready.
Hello.
Please. Who is that? Is that Mauricio?
Hello, Confidence.
Confidence. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, good morning. I'm speaking from Ghana.
Good morning.
Yeah, I want to ask. Yeah, the person that registered me told me that there will be an app, and I want to ask the use of the app and when is the app coming?
The app will be coming next month, September. The app is going to help merchants to get leads, notification for their business. So it's going to really help all business people in the community.
Okay, please. And I want to ask that, would they be accepting 100% TBC or different currency too?
No. The app has nothing to do with accepting 100% in TBC. We have, if you want to see those who are accepting some percentages in TBC, go to the merchant location on our website. And the app is just to help the business people to earn more money. And if they decide to accept some percentages in TBC, that's fine. Because we are not yet at the economic phase of TBC. So now that we are still at the distribution phase, it is very difficult for merchants to accept 100% TBC. So if you even see a merchant accepting 100% TBC, you should even ask yourself some questions before you engage yourself.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Now, guys, let's Mr. Trust walk us with our app, the app we have in our wallets. Mr. Trust will walk us in the wallet. Let's see how to use the application that we have in our wallet, which is so friendly, and that permits us to scan. Oops. Juliet, please make sure that you stay muted. All right, so we have an application in our wallet, and some of us, we don't know how to use it. Okay, Mr. Trust is a specialist in this wallet. He understands how to manipulate it around. So, Mr. Trust, over to you.
Okay, thank you so much, Ambassador Mbeh. Can you please make my phone? I'm using a laptop now, and I want to use my
Mr. Trust,
phone.
more volume, please.
Yes. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
5 on 5.
Thank you. Mr. Mbeh, can you please make my second number host so I can use my phone? Because
I can't find your second number. What's your name? What's the name?
Please put more volume.
Okay, that's me here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Speak 25%.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Can you all hear me now?
Very well.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Ambassador Mbeh. Okay, welcome everyone. For the purpose of the training of today, I will go through the wallet and like usual, how many people in the chat? Can you please indicate if you have already installed the TBC app wallet? Just please say yes on the chat so we know how many people have the TBC Wallet app. If you do not have, just say no. Just write it on the chat. Thank you. Indicate on the chat.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Okay. Okay, I will share my screen right now. Okay, let me share my screen. The first thing I will do, I will assist you how to download the TBC 009 wallet, because there's a difference between the TBC 009 wallet and the TBC app. Okay, here's the website. I will log into my TBC .009 app.
Because we are seeing your details.
Why you show your password? You don't need to show your password.
Password,
No, but
yes.
you guys, you don't have my password, guys.
That's not the password. That's not the password.
Okay, just relax, everyone. Don't make noise, please. Okay. Now, when you are into your wallet, this is where you need to download. Can you please just mute yourself, please?
Let's stay muted, please.
Stay muted, please. Okay, as soon as you are into your wallet, the first thing you need to do, you need to download the TBC app. Okay, how to download the TBC app? Just come and you click on Pay with App. If you check on the right of my screen, you will see Pay with App. Click Pay with App, and then you can just click on download Android app. You click, and then when you click on download app, then you can download it here. And then what you're seeing here on my screen is the security key. What you need to do, you just have to save this security key. You have to be private. Okay.
You must not share it.
This is the security key. This is the security that you can just scan later. Okay. Then what you do, you open after you have downloaded the TBC app, then you install.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Trust, unmute again. Unmute. Stay muted, guys.
Okay. Okay, after you have downloaded the app, now
Mbeh,
can you please stay muted? Okay, just one minute. I'm just trying to set the key on the computer so I can just download the
Please, more volume, please.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Just a minute. I'm trying to set my computer. Okay. Then after you have downloaded the application, the TBC app, you can see here on my phone. I will show you the icon. What it look like? You can see here on the screen. If you check, is the TBC Wallet. Okay. Can you all see it on the TBC Wallet?
Can't see it. I can't see it.
Okay. Can you check the icon? There's the TBC Wallet here. Okay. I will pop it.
Yes, it's there. It's there.
Yeah,
this is the one. Okay.
Point the arrow now. Point the arrow. Where?
Yes, here's the arrow. This is the one I'm moving. Okay, this is the TBC app. Okay, from your phone. Then you can click now. Click on that TBC application app. This is how it look like. Okay. Now, what you need to do, you just need to scan your private key. Okay. You click on scan to log in, and then you scan the private key. Okay, after you have scanned the private key will automatically link to the TBC app. Okay, now when you are into the TBC app, you will see menu, and then from the menu you will see a dashboard, send, receive, and log out. Okay, so now if you want to spend your TBC, you come and you click on send. Okay, so after you have clicked on send, you will see address and amount and currency. Now let's say you want to send or pay. What you need to do, you have this icon where you need to register the address wallet. Okay, but usually the app is designed to not use the address wallet. Is designed to use the scan. Okay, because with the scan is more faster. So what you do, if you want to send Kringles to any member, you only need the member to send you his receiving wallet barcode. Okay, so what you do, you click on send, click on send, scan, and then you can just scan the receiving barcode. Okay, when you scan the receiving barcode, you will see the receiving barcode will automatically link the address of the wallet. Okay, thank you. And then you just need to put the amount. Let's say and then before you put the amount, you select the currency. Let's say I want to send to Mr. Mbeh, who's in Cameroon. I will just click on Kringles and I will select the local currency where Mr. Mbeh is located. So I will look for France.
Zav.
I will look for France CFA.
Zav.
ZEF.
Okay. ZEF. Okay. Let me check on.
XAF.
Yeah, here is it. Okay. Then I will select. And then I will say, okay, I want to send to Mr. Mbeh, based on his local currency, I want to send him maybe 1,000 Kringles. No, what you need to understand is that when you put the ZAR, now you don't convert the currency
You don't send the currency based on the Kringles. You now, because the wallet will automatically convert the Kringles so that you can send it based on the price of the local country. So I don't need to say 1,000 Kringles. I will just say I want to send to Mr. Mbeh maybe 1,000 francs CFA. So I will just write 1,000 francs CFA. Okay. So when I write 1,000 francs CFA, you will see below, you will see the amount in Kringles, who is 0.12 1216 Kringle. That is what worth 1,000
francs CFA.
Francs CFA. And then I will send. Okay. Then after I send, yes. Now I will send. Then after I send, Mr. Mbeh will receive the 1,000 francs CFA from his wallet. And now let's say I'm going to a store and I want to spend my Kringles. So what I want you guys to do is what I trained you last week. What you need to do, you have to come to your wallet and come on receive. This is what you need to train all the merchants. They have to do what? They have to come on receive, click on receive, and then when they click on receive, this is the display receiving barcode that they have from their wallet. Now they need to set up the percentage that they are receiving through the receiving barcode wallet from the app. Okay, so let's say I want Mr. Mbeh to send me 1,000 US dollars, and I will set the price from the receiving barcode so that Mr. Mbeh will not need to type the amount from his wallet. He will only scan the receiving barcode and the amount will appear from his wallet. It will only pay. Okay, so what you need to do, you just come here, you click. Let's say Mr. Mbeh is taking a percentage. You say maybe it's 10%, and 10% is 1,000 US dollars. So I will click here. I will select the currency as a merchant, and then I will display. When you click on the barcode, you will notice that I want you guys to focus on the barcode. You will notice that each and every time I'm typing a number, the barcode will change. Okay, each and every time I'm typing a number, the barcode adjusts based on the price. Okay, so I will type 1,000 US dollars. Who's the percentage that Mr. Mbeh allowing into his store? So now what he need to do next is just need to screenshot like this. Okay, and then display the barcode next to the product. Now you as a customer, you only need to come to the store and screenshot and scan the barcode and pay. Just pay, because when you scan the barcode, I believe some of you have already, if you have the TBC app right now, just scan this barcode. You will notice that the price, the 1,000 US dollars, will appear into your wallet, and you can just pay. And if you pay, I will receive the 1,000 US dollars in Kringles.
This is TBC.
Yes.
It's fantabulous.
Yes,
fantabulous. So this, thank you so much, guys, for the motivation. So this is what we want people. This is what we want people to understand, that TBC is spendable, and TBC have the technology to run his own economy. Okay, through the wallet that we have, the blockchain that we are using is the same blockchain that in China. For some of you who don't know, in China, they are using the same system, okay? But the difference is that their technology are using another cryptocurrency, but our technology are using TBC coins, okay? So it's the same one everywhere in the world. But the only difference is the coins, okay? So people don't have to stop saying, how am I going to spend
Can you explain how many devices did you use to pair?
Okay, now, good question. What you need to do, remember, on the TBC, I will come back here. I will come back to the wallet. Okay, guys, just a minute. Just a minute. Let me go back to the wallet. Remember, do you guys remember the key, the key, your security key? Okay? From the TBC 009. Okay, let me go back again. So you guys, you understand what I'm talking about, because this is training. Let me log into my account. Okay, let me log into my account. And then okay, now remember what I did. When you click on Pay with App, there's this key. This is the key. I want all of you to print it out, okay? And save it very carefully. This key, you don't have to share this key with anyone, okay? You can print it out.
Where is the key now? Which one is the key?
This is the key. Press on, you see where is written Pay with App? Okay. Yes. Click there, and then you see the second barcode. This is the key. Okay. Okay. This key, the black. Thank you. Is written download app, Android app. This is the key, security key. You don't share this key with people. This is your money. Okay. Because
Sorry,
we here to
the key.
Come again.
Which one do you say is the key now? Is it download app?
Yes. You see, when you click on Pay with App, it come. There's a barcode. You see this barcode below.
Yes.
This black, the black one. Here,
thank you. The black thing. This is. Thank you. Each and every one of you have his own barcode. This black, what you call black thing. Yeah, this is a barcode. Okay.
You have to be careful.
QR code.
Yeah, it's a QR code.
It's okay. What you call the security.
Yeah, it's a security key.
Okay. You will not search anybody. That's what he's trying to say.
So you don't need to share this security barcode. TBC, listen to me very careful. Don't share this security key. Can you please mute yourself, please? Please, okay.
Allow the teacher to speak. Now, why are people stopping?
Hey,
can you please
stay muted? Please stay muted.
Please mute yourself, please. Okay. I was trying to say what, guys, good people. Don't share this security key with anyone. That is where all your money is going to be stored. Okay? Some people, and that is the reason why Ambassador Mbeh want me to emphasize on this training, because this is the key point of our economy, because people will lose their coins just because of ignorance. So don't share this QR code key with anyone. There's a QR code key here, the one in front of you. This is the receiving barcode. There's a difference between the receiving QR code and the security key QR code. Okay? The security one is here on Pay with App. You click on Pay with App, and then you print it. You have to print this QR code. Print it and save it. Okay? Or you can use two devices. Okay? How can you use two devices? You can have two devices and come here with the TBC app. Let me log out because it's already connected. I will log out. Thank you. Now, the good part is that, let me log out. Okay. And then after I log out, I will show you now from the app. I will click scan to log in. And then I want you guys to focus on the screen. You can see here, look what I'm doing. I want you to focus on something. I'm using my laptop now. I will remove, let me remove Pay with App. Now you can see here that here, this is the receiving barcode. I don't need to scan this receiving barcode because it's not the key, the security key. So the security is here. I click on Pay with App. I click, and then the security key will appear here. And then I have to scan this security key. Okay, when I scan it, it's going to link the wallet directly. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so you have two options.
How is the scan about? The scan.
How do I
don't know the way to scan.
Listen.
Okay, I will log out. I will log out. I will come back for the last time. Okay, I want you guys to focus. Look, after you have downloaded the TBC app, here's the icon. I repeat again. Here's the icon on my phone. You can see here. Let me sort of log out. Here's the icon. This is the one I'm moving. I want you to focus on the icon. There's a TBC app. Then, after you have it on your phone, click on the wallet, and then this is what appear for the first time. You don't know anything, okay? Then you have to link the TBC 009 to the app. So now, what will link the TBC 009 to the app is the security barcode, QR code key, okay? And that security QR code key, I will show you. Where is it? I will click here on scan. Now, for the purpose of the training, I want you to focus. Now, I'm using two devices now. I'm using my laptop and I'm using my phone. The TBC app only works in your phone, okay? Not for your computer. You need to use a device, okay? So now, what I will do, you can see here, this is the wallet, okay? You can see here, I want you to focus on the mouse here. This is the receiving barcode. Now, if you scan this receiving barcode, it's not gonna link. I want you guys to see. I'm trying to scan it. It say error, invalid. Do you see? Okay, so it's not the one. What you need to do, I want you to come here from your wallet, click on Pay with, okay, Pay with App. Okay, when you click on Pay with App, here is the security key. Then when I scan that security key, it's going to link my wallet. Is it okay, Mama, TBC Mama?
I'm on the phone doing it. Yeah.
You need to practice. You need to practice.
Show them how to send money. Show them how to send money again, because they need to know that as well.
Okay. Okay.
With time we will
go
get
in sending.
Okay, let me come back. because this is the purpose of the training. We want all the TBCN to master this, because the moment we master this, we are going to enjoy our wallet, okay? I repeat, when you have the TBC wallet already application in your wallet, you have download the application. Here is it.
The one in your wallet, too. Not on
The
Google
one
Play
in
Store.
your wallet.
Some of you
Not
go to
on
Google Play Store. The one in your wallet, the one in Google is a scam.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. This is the one.
Thank you, Ambassador, for that precision. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The only way to download this icon is from your TBC 009 wallet. Here is
Good.
it.
Yeah.
Here is it. Let me show you guys. I go back again to my wallet. Let me just click. Okay. Okay. Here's my wallet. Please. This is the only way you can download like
Wow, they have some background noise. Okay, I'll just mute everyone. Unmute
Too
again.
much.
Mr. Trust, unmute again.
Okay. Let me go back to the wallet. Okay, now I want to repeat myself. From the wallet, how to download the TBC app. This is how you download the TBC app. Not on Play Store, like Mr. Mbeh have said. Don't go to Google Play Store and download the app. No. Come to the TBC 009 wallet, log into your wallet, and then from your wallet, click on Pair with App. Here is it on the right. You will see on the right, Pair with App. Click. And then when you click, you see on top here, one is saying download app, Android app. Can you see Android app?
Yes, we can see.
Click there, click on that Android app, click. Then when you click, check. It's going to ask me to download, okay?
Okay.
Then you download. Then after you download, you wait for it to download. Now, after you finish to download, I'm using French, sorry about that. Then you open, it's saying ouvre, is open. Open. And then when you open, you install. Saying install, then you install. Then it's going to install. Then you wait for it to install. After it, okay, after you install, say open, then you open the TBC Wallet app. Okay, now how do you know that the wallet is already saved into your phone? Go to the dashboard of your phone, then you will see this icon. Here's the icon. I'm moving the icon now. Okay, this is the icon of TBC, the official TBC Wallet app. Here is it. I want your focus. This is the one. Now, what you need to do, click on that wallet app, and then this is what is going to display in front of you. And then what you need to do, you need to scan the private key of your wallet. And the private key, where to find the private key, I will show you. Click on scan to log in from your wallet, from the TBC wallet scan. And then you need to use two devices, okay? Like right now, I'm using two devices to connect my TBC app to the TBC 009. Now, I open the TBC 009 in front of me. You can see from the camera. Here, I'm in my wallet now, TBC 009. So what I need to do, I need to come here and click. I need to come here and click on Pair with App. Can you all see here?
Yes.
Then I click Pair with App. Then when I click pay with app, you see there's a QR code who appear on top, okay? And then what I need to do, I need to scan this QR code. This is the key. Then when I click, I scan that QR code, it's going to link automatically my wallet. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when I'm in my wallet now, I will go to the menu here on top. Then I will see display, dashboard, send, and receive. If I want to send, I click on send. And then the wallet is designed, remember, the wallet is designed to use the scan, not the address of the wallet.
Okay.
So how do you operate using the app? We use the scan QR, okay? This is what we use the most. So what you need to do, if you want to send, you have the address, forget about the address, focus on with the amount and the currency. So if you want to send to any TBC, ask the TBC to send you their receiving barcode, the one who's displayed is who is displayed from the TBC 009 wallet when you open your account. Okay, I will show you. This is the barcode from the TBC 009. This is the barcode, the QR code, the one who's always displayed. This is your receiving barcode, it representing your address here below. You see this address here, these letters, all these letters representing this barcode here. This is your receiving barcode. So you need to only to scan this receiving barcode. They will link the address. You can see here the address is here on the address, and then you display the amount. You select if you are in Nigeria, Cameroon, whatever country you are. Come to currency, select, and then select your local currency here. Okay. Then after you have select the currency, let me select.
Naira.
Okay, let me look for Naira.
NGN. NGN.
Okay, from the wallet you can't type anything. Remember, you need to select. Okay.
NGN.
Let me check for Naira. Okay, I'm seeing here ZA. I'm from South Africa. Let me check ZA. Okay, ZA is South African. Then I select ZA. I'm in South Africa right now. I select ZA. And then I want to send to a member in South Africa 1,000 worth of Kringles. This is how it works. You can see I wrote 1,000 ZA, who is rent. Okay. For those who are in Nigeria, come here, select Naira. Let me select Naira.
NGN.
Here's Naira. Okay. Let's say I want to send 1,000 Naira. Can you see how much is how many Kringles worth 1,000 Naira?
Remove it.
Can you guys see? Okay. Now after you have wrote the amount, then you can send. Okay. Are you with me?
Yes, please.
Okay. Then after you have sent, this is how you can send Kringles to any member in your local community using the TBC app.
Great.
Okay. Now for the merchant is different. I want you guys to go each and every merchant that you have brought into the community. This is what I want you to go and help them to set the price of the good that they are giving to us based on the percentage. They have to set the price of their product. And how they do that, they have to use the TBC Wallet App. And how they do that, I will show you. You come here now on this menu, then all merchant needs to come and use receive. Click on receive. Then we have a barcode who is just neutral. This barcode does not have any amount. Then what you do here on Kringles, select currency. Now from the currency, you can see here on the receiving barcode, they still have to add the currency of your local country. Okay, for now we only have US dollars, but the admin is working on that. You want to put all the currency here. So it means, let's assume that the currency in Nigeria is dollars. Okay, we click the merchant. We click on US dollars here. You select US dollars. Let's assume
Nigerian dollar. Nigerian dollar.
Yes. You click select Naira. You select US and you select. Okay. Now after you select, the only thing you need to do is just to type the percentage. Let's say the good is 1,000 US dollars in Naira, and then the merchant accepting 10% of 1,000 US dollars. So it means 10% of 1,000 US dollars is $100.
Yes.
Are we all together? Then we write, the merchant will write $100. So you see on the barcode, I want you to check. When I'm writing 1, the barcode change. When I add 0, it change. I add another 0, it's adjusting. Thank you. Then when you finish to adjust, this is the amount the merchant accepting for the product, the specific product. Then the merchant, what he need to do from his phone, he only need to screenshot this barcode and then print it out. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Thank you.
A lot of sense, man.
Thank
All right.
you.
Thank
So
you
now,
very much.
any one of you, if you just screenshot, if you scan this barcode, he will give you the $100 US that you only need to pay. Send. That's all.
Yes, and
No, we can't hear you.
Trust, you must precise the spending limits, because people can just be spending thinking that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Mbeh. Let's say now,
those that are paying 8 grains, what's their spending limit, for example?
Okay, for those who are paying, let's say for those who, okay, what I was trying to say, Mr. Mbeh, is that the merchant is not, all merchants are not considering the price, they are not part of the program.
Yeah, merchants can receive any amount. It's the sender now that has that issue.
Thank you. So now it's up to you. What Mr. Mbeh trying to say is what? It's up to you, the member, to pay your admin fee so that you can have more
spending
room. Yeah, you must have more room to spend your cookie, because if you are not active, the spending limit is $50. So $50, it means that you are not going to be able to purchase maybe a good who is up to $50. Okay, so it's good to be to pay your admin fee, your administration fee every month, so that you can have an unlimited way of spending your coins. Okay, so this is what I think. This is what Mr. Mbeh want to tell us. Okay, so for the merchant, they only need to know how to set up the price of their goods. So this is what I wanted you guys to understand, how it works, so that it makes things happen fast. Because the more we focus on the merchant, The easy is going to be for the
All right. Thank you.
Can I come in?
Yeah,
Can I come in here?
let's stop sharing. We have some few minutes left, so
Thank you.
we can now take some questions.
Please, can I come here, please?
Yeah, you can come in. Yes.
Okay. How you pick the address onto the this thing, the QR code? Please, can you repeat that, please, for me?
How do you pick the address?
When you scan, the address comes automatically.
Okay.
It's when you scan.
Yes.
Once you scan,
Okay. When you want
the
to
address coming. Yes. Once you scan, the address is being picked automatically.
Yeah, it's going to link to your wallet automatically, because the barcode representing the address.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Let's hear from Dania.
Good morning to everyone.
Morning.
Welcome.
Yeah, I'm a new member of TBC. I'm located within Ashiyama, Tema area. So I was introduced by my friend, a brother, that is Mr. John. So I'd like to know, how can I become a merchant? And then, moreover, that I'm late for joining the meeting. But I hope what I've heard now, I think it really makes sense. And then I wanted to know more because for now I've been registered already as a member. So I like to know how to become a merchant so that I can be able to also patronize within my community area here, and then make sure I make more advertise to them and they're able to patronize their goods.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen very well.
All right, now that you're already a member and you want to become a merchant, all you need to do is just go to your account area, you click on your account, and then you click on merchant listing registration. Merchant listing registration, and then you fill this form, name of your business, category, okay? Then you fill this form, select the address. You make sure that the address must be on the Google map. The address you are putting here, your business address should be on the Google map. Okay, then you now have the town, the regions, and this one will come in automatically. If you want to accept 10% in TBC, 20%, you can select the percentage here. Then you put the picture of your storefronts. If you have a YouTube channel, you can include that, and then you submit. Then that's how your product will be listed on the merchant listing. The merchant listing is just here. People will People will be able to see your products all over the world. Everybody in the community that put your city will be able to see your products, because when you put, for example, let's just say my city where I am, once you put that, then you go to search. You go to search, and I'm going to see these are all merchants around the world that are already accepting some percentage. So if you list yours, you have it listed also like this, like what you are seeing here. You see a lot of merchants. Yeah. So like these are all people that are accepting some percentage, 50%. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how your product will be listed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what about if my second question is that what about if maybe someone is not a merchant and is being sponsored by a fellow member who is within the TBC community already, who is a merchant and is sponsoring the new member who has come in. So I ask, will the new member that is coming in, will he also have a way forward to become maybe the member doesn't have any goods to patronize, but he wanted to become a merchant? How does it also go about?
If you don't have goods, maybe you can be, maybe let's say you are an engineer or a contractor or something. No problem. You can still come and fill the form. You can still come and fill the form here. Still fill this form.
Okay.
There's no problem. Then you can put the image of yourself. You can put yourself. People should see you.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Walex, let's hear from Walex.
All right. Good morning, community. Mr. Mbeh, thank you very much. And Mr. Trust, thank you very much for taking us through our TBC wallet. Okay, I just want to like add one or two things to what, because I'm seeing a lot of opportunities, especially for the merchants, in what Mr. Trust have just shown us this morning. I'm seeing a scenario whereby this will allow for merchants in the community, especially those who have different services and products. A supermarket, for instance, if you enter a supermarket, they have different, countless products. So with this TBC Wallet app now, a merchant can actually set different QR code for different percentage of different products. Exactly. That will help that merchant for more sales, because there are products you can accept 50% on. There are products you can actually accept 70% on. There are products you can accept 10%, 20%, as the case may be. So when you have those kind of options, you have the you have more upper hand, in making sales. And then when people begin to see QR code on your product, they begin to ask questions that what is this? And that gives you an opportunity to also do your TBC business. So I just want to say that, just in case it's only me that is seeing that opportunity in what was shown us this morning. So merchants should take advantage of that. For a lot of us we're having challenges going out, meeting people one-on-one. But if you can place QR code on your services, I tell you, people will start asking questions. You won't have to start going out that much again. People just naturally come to you. Your QR code on your product becomes your advertisement, because people will wonder, what is this all about? Thank you very much for the time.
You're welcome, Walex. Great contribution. Let's hear from John Dow.
Sorry, Mr. Mbeh, sorry, please. Let me use this opportunity to tell our Nigerian exhibitions. Sorry, please, especially those in Port Harcourt. Please, I recently discovered that there's a lot of misconception about the idea behind TBC. And so quite a lot of people have been calling upon me to step forward to start educating people, especially here in Nigeria. So we started a walk like 3 days ago. So I'm using this opportunity to reach out to every Port Harcourt based TBCians. Let's come together. We started already. Our next meeting is on the 4th of September at Randolph Hotel around Artillery Junction. So let's come together. Let's begin to educate ourselves and and the entire people. A lot of misconception. We need to set the record straight. We need to put things right.
Good.
We need to let people understand exactly what is TBC, the ABCD of TBC, so we started the journey already, and it's going to, run like a wildfire to the entire state, So let's come and support the move. Thank you so much.
Your contact number, please.
Yes, my contact number.
Put it on the chat. Just
Okay,
put it on the chat.
I'll just put that on the chat. I will do that on the chat. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, John.
It's Mr. Travis. Good morning, Mr. Mbeh.
Good morning.
Is Mr. Travis?
Yes, I'm around. I'm listening.
Mr. Travis, is it necessary for you to use two devices when you want to?
No. Okay. Thank you. What happens usually is that the moment you scan the security key for the first time, what is going to happen is going to link to your wallet forever, unless the network is poor. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So when the network is strong, it's going to automatically log in every time. But when the network is poor, you still need to scan the security key. And then what I usually advise to people is that if you don't want to face that problem, you need to just print out that key, the security key, and keep it maybe in your bag. So when the network is down, you just take out the printing of the QR code, the security key, and then you scan it. That is how you work.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, please let me quickly add to that. Please, we need to start doing things like professionals. Those QR code can actually be on a plastic ID card form. You know, you can have it on a plastic card. You know, the same size with your ATM card.
Yes.
You can have that QR code on it and have it in your wallet.
Yes.
You know, in your normal wallet you go out with. So you get into a merchant store, just bring out your plastic card, you scan your QR code and you make your payment. Fantastic. People around you will ask you questions.
Right.
That's how you get people into the community. So guys, let's make these things work. You know,
Mr. Trust. Mr. Trust.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is that one you are saying that we should secretly? That no one should see it.
Yes, is the one.
Okay.
Yes.
We don't have to show it publicly.
Thank you. You don't show it publicly. This is a private key.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, John. Let's hear from John Asare. You have a question? Unmute. You have to unmute. We can't hear you. Yes, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, speak aloud.
Yeah, please. This is my name is Alhaji Sharif. I am speaking from Boko, Ghana, and I am new here. I've been introduced to TBC by Alhaji Sedu.
Welcome.
Yeah, and unfortunately, I joined the meeting late, and as we speak, Alhaji Sedu promised to come with people that will take me through a registration process so that I can be a TBC member. But as it is now, due to the COVID-19, I've even organized some people numbering to about 30. As up to now, we haven't had our meeting, and actually, most of the things that were being discussed, I think I am strange to. Yeah, not strange as such. I have an idea, but they are not things that I actually practice. Yeah, that is what I want to say for now. So you should know that some of us are new. So that when you explain certain things, maybe you should be basic enough for us to get the concept. Thank you. That is what I want to say. Yeah.
All right. Alhaji, you're in Ghana, right? You're in Ghana, right? So we have some.
Yeah,
great,
I'm in Ghana.
We have some great leaders from Ghana, like Pastor Isaac, Michael. Some of them are here. You can meet them, and they can explain the basics to you before you can. So that when you join this meeting, you will not be completely lost. You understand? Because we cannot. You know, when you join a classroom where people are already in the university, and maybe you are still in primary one, you can be lost.
Actually.
So we need to pump you up so that you grow up very fast and meet us in the university. You know.
Of course.
That's why you can meet some great leaders here, like Pastor Isaac. Are you there? Who are those from Ghana? Please educate yourself. Somebody need help here now.
Oh,
all right. So
yeah, John Doe, I'm here.
You can just place your number.
You
can just place your number.
Yeah, Pastor Isaac is here. Pastor Isaac is here. Pastor Isaac is here.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, so please, you can put your number on the chat so that Alhaji can always get to you guys and maybe need some help Okay, don't send it to me personal. Send it on the group chat or to him. Why?
Yeah, I think I will appreciate that. I will appreciate that very much if they do that. Yeah.
Yes. From there, they will take you through.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Mr. Mbeh, please, a follow up to MD's explanation. There is, when you get to a merchant shop, MD said you can put a QR code to different items. For instance, you want to buy radio, put QR code there. You want to buy television. My question now is that, in a merchant shop, all these items, you pick them to where you are going to pay. At which point now are you going to scan your QR code? Is it when you want to pay or in the various departments that the QR code is placed?
Various department, you know the price, and then the various code. You scan into the various code.
That's you scan before you carry those items to where you pay?
At the point of payment. It's at the point of payment when it is time to pay. Just like when you get to a supermarket, they gather all your products on their table. And now it is time to pay. They will start punching the numbers in their calculator. So once you have all your product and it is time to pay, that's the time to start scanning the QR code to make payment.
Who scans the QR code? You or the
You have your own private key. You have your private key with you in your wallet somewhere. Maybe you print it on a piece of paper or, like I suggested, on a plastic card to make it fanciful for people to ask questions. And then you scan that key, the security key barcode, and then it will link your wallet with the app. You understand? Then you'll be ready to make payment. So you see another scan to make payment also on your phone. Then that's when you scan the QR code of the merchant.
Okay. Thank you, guys. We are already out of time. Please, we are very, very sorry. We are out of time. No. We must respect our time. Nobody comes in again. We are very sorry. We are very, very sorry. We have a meeting after this meeting for technical issues. If you have technical issues, those who are technical, you have some technical problems, there's a link that have been posted on the chat. Please follow that link. There's a meeting just after this. All right, there's a meeting just after this meeting. So follow the meeting and let all your technical problems be solved, okay? We are already out of time. So we are very, very sorry. Guys, this meeting is taking place from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. West African time. So if you're new, you're welcome. We appreciate you. We welcome all new people here. You guys are all welcome. Make sure you join us every day when it is 8 a.m. West African time. The keyword of the day is Kringle. Kringle is the keyword of the day. So insert the keyword and you get paid. You get paid for attending this meeting, okay? All right, guys, it is weekend. It's Friday. Enjoy your weekend. We love you so much. And let's do this again on Monday, same time. Bye now.
All right.
Bye now.
Bye.
Enjoy your weekend.
Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.
Enjoy your weekend.
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 Enjoy your weekend. Spread TBC. Enjoy your weekend.
Enjoy yourself. Slow.
Enjoy your weekend.
Yeah.
Enjoy your weekend.